Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to delete TikTok shop messages. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So it's just really easy. So head over in here on your TikTok app, and then from in here, it will open your TikTok. So the next thing we need to do is we need to head over to the inbox right here. So if you already created or turned your account into a business account wherein you can sell on TikTok, your inbox will only proceed to show you the messages from actual people who inquire about your product. So as you can see, this is my inbox, and I have here my activity status and all these things right here. So what I can do is I can actually just click or just long press on the specific conversation that I want to delete. After that, click on the delete button right here in order to successfully delete that. So let's head over and click on delete, and then click on deleting here again. Then as you can see, it has been deleted. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment down below and we'll try our best to answer.